everybody, it's Neil, and today I got the new iPhone 14 Pro. So you can see this is it here. I put on a little protector over the camera section just because, I don't know, something I got. But what I needed this is a case, and I got I think this is purple color, so I want to be able to see it. So I bought this case here. So this is the case, and there's the barcode information for it, but it is a clear case, so we're going to give this one a try and see how it looks on there. I've already got a screen protector on it, so that part's protected, and I do have the camera protector too. So let's check this out. So this is the case, and you can see it's flexible plastic and see-through. Hopefully it won't turn yellow like some of the other things do, and let's see how it fits. Looks like it fits, wow, it fits like a glove. So you can see here it fits with the camera, fits in there just perfect. You know, the 13 and 14, I mean, you could probably fit a 13 in a 14 case, but you wouldn't be able to fit a 14 in a 13 case because the camera section is bigger. But so it looks like it fits good, and you can see here it's got a little bit of a lip still, even, so I can put it down, heads down on here, and it's not gonna be scratching the glass, even with the protective cover on it. So it's pretty good. So I like this. I'll probably put one of those little finger holder things on the back so I can keep it that way, but it's a pretty thin, nice plastic case to hold it, and you see the phone stays on even when it's off. But that's pretty cool, man. The buttons seem pretty easy to do. No problem there. So I'm gonna say I like this one. Seems good to me. Nice and see-through. I could put a picture on there or something too, so it's pretty nice that it gives that flexibility when it's a see-through case. I kind of like these little see-through cases, and they're fairly thin and light. So that's this one here. So if you want to see some other case reviews, I do have a few others that I got to check out as well, but this will probably be the one I end up using, but we'll see. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.